Let's be real for a second. Whenever you see a title like How to Save 10K Effortlessly, your brain probably goes to one of two places. Either you think it's a total scam, or you think I'm about to tell you to live on ramen noodles and cancel your heat in the middle of winter. But here's the truth. Saving $10,000 isn't about some secret hack or having superhuman willpower. Most people fail at saving because they try to fight their own nature. They try to white-knuckle it. They treat saving like a diet where they're constantly hungry. And just like those diets, they eventually crash, burn, and go on a spending spree to feel better.
When I say effortless, I don't mean you just snap your fingers and money appears. I mean, we're going to build a system where the saving happens around you without you having to think about it every single day. We're going to stop relying on your discipline, because let's face it, your discipline is tired after an 8-hour workday, and start relying on a system.
First, we have to talk about the mental threshold. For most people, $10,000 feels like this massive, untouchable mountain. It feels so far away that they don't even start. If I told you to climb Everest, you'd stay on the couch. But if I told you we're just walking to the end of the block, you'd do it. We need to stop looking at the $10,000 and start looking at the $27.40. Why that number? Because $27.40 a day is how you get to $10,000 in a year. Suddenly, it's not a mountain anymore. It's just a few choices a day. Now, let's get into the effortless system. The biggest enemy of your 10K goal is your own hands. If the money touches your hands, you're going to spend it. That's not a weakness, it's just how we're wired. So, the first rule of effortless saving is, if you see it, it's already gone. You need to set up what I call the shadow account. This is a bank account at a completely different bank from where you do your daily checking. Don't even get a debit card for it. Don't download the app on the front page of your phone. Hide it. Then you set up a direct deposit from your paycheck, not a transfer you do manually. That requires effort. It has to be a direct split from your employer. If you never see that $100 or $200 enter your main account, you won't feel the loss. Your brain will just adjust to whatever is left. That is the literal definition of effortless. But okay, let's talk about where that money actually comes from. I'm not going to tell you to stop buying coffee. Honestly, if a $5 latte is the highlight of your morning, keep it. But I want you to look at the ghost expenses. Ghost expenses are the things you're paying for that provide zero value to your life. The subscription you forgot to cancel, the premium version of an app you don't use, the insurance rate that hiked up 20% because you haven't shopped around in 3 years. Spend one Saturday morning, just one, calling your internet provider, your car insurance, and auditing your subscriptions. Most people can find $100 to $200 a month just sitting there in the ghosts. That's a couple $1,000s a year saved with zero change to your lifestyle.
Next, we have to talk about the big wins. Everyone obsesses over the small stuff, but they ignore the big leaks. In the US, the biggest leak for the middle class right now is convenience tax. DoorDash, Uber Eats, grocery delivery. We tell ourselves we're paying for time, but usually we're just paying for laziness. If you look at your bank statement and see more than 4 delivery charges a month, you aren't being squeezed by the economy. You're squeezing yourself. The markups on those apps are insane. You're paying $35 for a $15 burrito. If you just commit to picking up your own food, that alone can be $300 a month. Over a year, that's $3,600. That's more than a third of your $10,000 goal right there, and you're still eating the same food.
Now, let's talk about the psychology of the windfall. Throughout the year, most of us get extra money. Tax refunds, a bonus at work, a birthday gift from your grandma, or even a week where you didn't have to spend as much. Most people treat this as free money and blow it on something they've been wanting. If you want to hit 10K effortlessly, you have to adopt the 50-50 rule. Anytime you get unexpected money, 50% goes to your shadow account immediately, and 50% is yours to play with. You still get the dopamine hit of spending, but your 10K goal gets a massive boost without you having to sacrifice your regular paycheck.
Another trick I love is the artificial sale. Every time you're about to buy something non-essential, let's say a new pair of shoes for $100, wait 24 hours. If you still want them after a day, go to buy them. But here's the catch. You have to tax yourself. If the shoes are $100, you have to put $20 into your savings account to earn the right to buy them. If you can't afford the extra $20 for your future self, you can't afford the shoes. It's a simple gut check that keeps your priorities straight. I also want to talk about lifestyle creep. This is the silent killer. You get a raise at work, and suddenly you feel like you need a nicer car or a bigger apartment. But here's a secret. If you can maintain your current lifestyle for just 1 year after a raise and put 100% of that raise into your 10K goal, you will hit it so fast your head will spin. You're already used to living on your old salary. You won't even miss the extra money because you never got used to having it.
Let's address the hard part, the middle of the journey. Saving 10K is a marathon. In the beginning, it's exciting. At the end, it's exciting. But the middle sucks. You're at $4,000, you're tired, and you want to go on a vacation. This is where visual tracking comes in. Don't just look at numbers on a screen. Put a physical tracker on your fridge or your desk. Every time you hit another $500, color it in. There is something primal and satisfying about seeing that bar fill up. It turns a boring financial goal into a game. And remember, the goal is 10K, but the real prize isn't the money. The real prize is the FU fund. Having $10,000 in the bank changes the way you walk. It changes the way you talk to your boss. It changes the way you sleep at night. When you have 10K, an emergency is just an inconvenience. A car repair isn't a tragedy. It's just a bill. That peace of mind is worth way more than any gadget or dinner out.
So, here's your roadmap to 10K starting today. Open that shadow account. Today, not tomorrow. Set up a direct deposit, even if it's just $50 a paycheck. Audit your ghost expenses and convenience tax. Use the 50-50 rule for any extra cash. Stop trying to be a hero. Stop trying to have perfect discipline. Just build a system that makes it hard to fail. You'll wake up in a few months, check that hidden account, and realize you're halfway there without even feeling the squeeze. Saving $10,000 isn't for rich people. It's for anyone who's tired of feeling like they're one bad break away from disaster. You can do this. You just have to get out of your own way. Thanks for watching. If you're starting your 10K journey today, comment day 1 below. Let's hold each other accountable. I'll see you in the next one.